Fanconi anemia is a rare disease. It is passed down through families. This means it is inherited. The disease affects the bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue inside bones. It makes blood cells. People with Fanconi anemia do not make enough blood cells. This shortage of blood cells is serious. It leads to a range of health problems. These problems often appear in childhood. They can affect many parts of the body. Fanconi anemia is a complex disease. It requires specialized care and management. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Researchers are making progress. They are learning more about Fanconi anemia. New treatments are being developed. These advancements offer hope for the future. They aim to improve the lives of people with this rare disorder. The symptoms of Fanconi anemia vary. They differ from person to person. Some people have mild symptoms. Others experience more severe effects. Common signs include physical abnormalities. These might be present at birth. They can affect different parts of the body. For example, a child might have thumbs that are underdeveloped. They might have skin discoloration. Skeletal problems are also possible. These can impact bones and joints. Growth is often slow in children with Fanconi anemia. They may be shorter than their peers. Low blood counts are a hallmark of the disease. This means the body doesn't have enough red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets. Low red blood cell counts lead to fatigue and weakness. A shortage of white blood cells makes it hard for the body to fight infections. Low platelet counts can cause easy bruising or bleeding. Fanconi anemia is a genetic disorder. This means it is caused by changes in genes. Genes are like blueprints. They tell the body how to grow and develop. In Fanconi anemia, these blueprints have errors. These errors affect the way cells repair their DNA. DNA is the genetic material inside cells. It carries instructions for life. When DNA is damaged, cells can usually repair it. But in Fanconi anemia, this repair process is faulty. This leads to a buildup of DNA damage. This damage makes cells more likely to die or become cancerous. It also explains why people with Fanconi anemia have problems making blood cells. Their bone marrow cells are particularly vulnerable to DNA damage. Diagnosing Fanconi anemia can be challenging. This is because the symptoms are similar to other conditions. Doctors use a combination of tests. These tests help confirm the diagnosis. A physical exam is the first step. The doctor looks for physical abnormalities. They also ask about the child's medical history. Blood tests are crucial. They check for low blood counts. A chromosome breakage test is also important. This test looks for breaks and rearrangements in chromosomes. These abnormalities are a hallmark of Fanconi anemia. Genetic testing can confirm the diagnosis. It identifies specific gene mutations. These mutations are responsible for the disease. Early diagnosis is important. It allows for timely treatment and management.